Welcome to Know It All, a place to connect with researchers to answer all questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more. This episode on What is Blockchain was created for you by Rain. In this topic, Know It All will answer: what is blockchain? Use of blockchain in smart contracts, identity management systems, and logistics. According to Don and Alex Tapscott, authors of Blockchain Revolution, 2016, the blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. Blockchains are distributed ledgers which are secure by design to make use of a decentralized consensus mechanism. This allows for transparent and tamper-proof records of data which cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks, hence why it is often described as being chained. Because each block contains a cryptographic hash pointer as a link to the previous one, along with timestamping data, it becomes incredibly difficult to change information stored in any given block without changing its entire chain. Blockchain technology was first outlined in 1991 by Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta, although the concept was later developed further by Satoshi Nakamoto, who created Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency powered by blockchain. Although originally designed for digital currency usage, blockchains have been explored for applications across other areas such as smart contracts or identity management systems owing to their various advantages: improved security through decentralization and increased transparency thanks to maintain immutability, or permanent, records open for public verification via network nodes. Use of blockchain and smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with terms written into code that can be executed automatically when certain conditions are met. They provide a higher level of security than traditional paper contracts as they cannot be altered once they have been agreed upon. Smart contracts can be used to automate many different kinds of transactions, from financial agreements to property rentals. The combination of blockchain technology and smart contracts has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business. By automating complex processes and removing the need for third-party intermediaries, costs can be reduced significantly while still maintaining high levels of security and transparency. Use of blockchain and identity management systems. IMS. One area where blockchain will have a major impact is identity management. Today, our identities are scattered across numerous institutions in both digital and physical form. This makes it difficult to keep track of all our information and ensure that it is up-to-date, accurate, and complete. Furthermore, there are concerns about data security and privacy as well as the risk of fraud or theft. Blockchain technology could help to solve these problems by creating a single decentralized platform for managing identity information. With blockchain, individuals would be able to control their own data, which they could then share with entities such as banks, employers, or healthcare providers on an individual basis. The transaction would be recorded on the blockchain ledger, ensuring transparency and immutability. In addition, due to its encrypted nature, the data would be more secure than it is today. As each transaction requires consensus from multiple parties, this also reduces the risks associated with central points of failure. Overall, using blockchain for identity management would create a more efficient system that is user-friendly, cost-effective, and secure. Use of blockchain in logistics. Blockchain logistics is an innovative approach to supply chain management that leverages the power of blockchain technology. By tracking goods and assets on a decentralized network, blockchain logistics has the potential to streamline supply chains, improve transparency and traceability, and reduce costs. In traditional supply chains, information about goods is siloed within each company's own system. This can make it difficult to track items as they move through the supply chain from supplier to customer. Blockchain applications for logistics aim to solve this problem by creating a shared digital ledger of data that can be accessed by all parties involved in the transaction. This would enable real-time visibility into where goods are at any point in the journey, something that is crucial for time-sensitive shipments like perishable items or medical supplies. It could also help reduce delays caused by errors in paperwork or manual data entry processes. In addition, because blockchains are immutable, meaning data cannot be modified retroactively, they provide tamper-proof records of transactions which could help build trust between buyers and sellers. One example of a company using blockchain technology for logistics is Blockfreight, which bills itself as the first global cargo consignment platform built on Bitcoin public ledger technologies. The startup aims to create a decentralized network over which freight forwarders can book cargo space with trucking companies. All transactions will be recorded on a distributed ledger so that everyone involved has access to up-to-date information about the shipment status. This should theoretically lead to more efficient coordination among all parties, reduced expenses related to billing disputes, and less need for intermediaries such as brokers. Thank you for listening. For more answers to questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more, don't forget to subscribe to Know It All.